Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anuja and today I'm going to share with you guys a recipe of simple and quick microwavable mug cake. It is so simple that anybody can do it and it takes only few ingredients and also less than 2 minutes. The best thing about this dessert is that you don't have to wait for Valentine's Day to make it. You can make this any time of the year and satisfy your sweet tooth. The reason I'm sharing this recipe for Valentine's week is because it is so simple and easy that anybody can do it. So guys, if you want to impress your girls or you want to make them feel special, I think you should try this out. This will definitely work. So let's get started. The measurement of the ingredients will be down in the description box. Start by adding all the dry ingredients in a bowl. Also add a pinch of salt, which I forgot to mention and record. Then add the wet ingredients, that is the olive oil and the water. Then mix all the ingredients with a fork or a whisk until there are no lumps in it. Transfer the mixture into a microwave safe mug. Shake the mug a bit to set the batter. Set the microwave timer to about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Don't cook it more than 2 minutes. After it is cooked, stick a toothpick in it to see if it is cooked properly. If the toothpick comes out clean, you're good to go. I'm gonna finish it off with some vanilla ice cream and mini chocolate chips. You can add whatever you want, but I think the ice cream will make it even more tastier. That's it. Your mug cake is ready. If you decide to recreate this, don't forget to tag me in your pictures. My social media links will be down in the description. Don't forget to check that out. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.